Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a beneficiary to your Robinhood account. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to add a beneficiary to your Robinhood account. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? So this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. And if you haven't signed up for Robinhood just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up, and once you do, you'll get $5 worth of stock sent to your account. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to open up our Robinhood app, and then next, once you open up your Robinhood app, you're going to go ahead and click on the icon on the bottom right-hand corner, then click on the hamburger icon on the upper left-hand corner. Next, scroll down to where it says Settings, Notifications, Beneficiaries, and Account, and then click on Beneficiaries next. So here you can add up to 10 beneficiaries and you can change them at any time. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add beneficiaries to a Robinhood account. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.